In this video, I'm going to show you how you can spot scammers in Bybit P2P trading. And before I do so, please do to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to leave a comment from the comment section. On the P2P trade, the simple steps of spotting scammers, I think there are three steps you get. The first step is for you to check the number of orders completed you get. So as you can see that if this particular person right here has already completed 22 orders in the last 30 days. I think and you can see right here, this particular person right at the top pick has completed 2000 orders last 32 days. For you, like you, who do you think you trade with? You prefer to trade with people that have completed much more orders last 30 days than people that have completed few orders you get. So this is the first thing you should check. But check people that have completed more orders. Because this particular person has completed 2000 orders. This is a good person for you to trade with. This one that completed 4000 orders. This is a good person to trade with. But see those ones that completed few orders, like less than 500 orders, I don't think you should trade those people. Those people are not recommended. This one 85 orders. It's not recommended you trade those people. This is 165 orders. It's not recommended to trade those people. Trade people that have completed more orders, either in the buy or the sell. This is the first thing you should do. The second thing is way to check the percentage completion. You can see right here, this person has 99 percentage completion. This one has 100. I want to have only just 20 orders to get. So the most likely way to check the number of orders that have completed, the number of trades I have done in the last 30 days. Check the percentage completion. Check just ensure you treat people that have more higher percentage completion and complete more trades last 30 days. Last step is for you to check the reviews you get. So to check the reviews, click on here. Once you do so, you to bring load up. Then just click on I click on buy. Just click on the person's name. Make up this page for you. On this page, just check on this page, you go to bring an overview of the person's profile. You can see I've completed 2003 trades or 2003 orders in the last 30 days. 9% completion. Yeah, you can see the number of ratings. Good ratings is 76, bad rating is just 5. Click on leave a review, right? You're going to see all the person's review and you can get to read all the reviews you get. So if the person has committed crime or the person is a scammer, actually you're going to see it on this review. You can see all the reviews the person has. Let's check the bad reviews. You can also get to read the bad reviews. The really bad reviews right here is that it is real, it is slow, I think they say it is scam. Now, so these are the things you should check for. Okay, so in order that to this guy that 42 orders, you can just start from it and you can see this has already completed 22 orders in the last 30 days. Based on 100% completion. If you click on leave a review, just 6 reviews do. Just 6 reviews and no bad reviews, but I would recommend you choose the guys too because the number of orders he has completed is low. This at the number of orders completed, number of trades completed tells that the person how active the person is really get. People like we users on Bybit are actually actively buying, actively completing orders, actively trading, actually you understand. But why those scammers they just come once in a while to trade to scam people, you understand? So you can decide to these are the simple steps on how you can spot scammers. The first thing is check the number of orders you have completed. Ensure you people that have completed more orders last 30 days. You can see 4000 percentage. Check the number of reviews. You can see 203 good reviews, right? 12 bad reviews. Click on leave a review. You will see all the reviews that the person has gotten. And you can also check the bad reviews you get. To check if you keep on checking all these things, you will not go to fall into the hands of scammers you get. Suppose you can also check the person's more details about the person you get. You can see the last time the person is doing the account was created somewhere 49 days ago. This one first you can see it right here. So these are the things you check you get. And you can also check person has done this verification, which is you can see that the person has verified his email, his phone number, his identity verification person has deposited. So let's use this guy just because just 2020 trades. So if you tap on the guys you get you can see that people already completed his email, SMS, this okay, the person has not deposited. These are the things you check. You click on more data about the person, right? You can see the person just joined 96 days ago. First, like this one, first of the 6 days. These are not people you should actually, I'm not going through this. People, three people that have spent longer time in this platform, people that have verified other details. And one thing you should know that if you log into Bybit P2P, I'm going to see these topics yet. If you want to choose within the limits, like you want to sell between 5,000 and 150k USDT, you get just choose within these topics because these topics are verified users, are people that Bybit have say, okay, and this person has verified his details and very these are people that Bybit have recommended that they trust the person, that the person is reliable. So just it's better you choose with topics users yet even choose with non verified users, understand. By taking with choose non verified users, just check the number of orders that have completed, the specific completion and the reviews. Get. So guys, I believe this video is helpful, and if you like the video, please leave a thumb up for me, give me a like, in the comment section, drop a comment, just comment anything. You can comment P2P trading, you can comment Bybit, just comment anything from the comment section. Subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any update. So this is it for this video. You can check my other channels out on how to trade on Bybit P2P, Bybit free signals and many other things. Links will be in the description box and you can check the playlist. So guys, peace out.